Cause they're dumb and reckless. Ah. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to my channel. For those of you that are blah, 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 welcome back. You don't want to miss out on this video because you will be SOL. Today's video is going to be 10 random things that you're going to need to bring to college that you never thought you would need. Clorox wipes. You are going to need Clorox wipes to wipe up nasty ass shit. I'm not a super clean freak, but when I got to school, I became the clean freak, and I just had to clean everything. You're gonna need gloves. Obviously, you're gonna need gloves to clean the nasty stuff before you use the Clorox wipes, because there's no way that my hand is touching whatever that I'm trying to clean. Command strips and hooks. You cannot make holes in the walls, so it's not like you make one hole and you're gonna get away with it. They've already swooped the room, okay? Just get the command strips or the command hooks for your little poster and your coats and your bags. But besides that, I used to lose my keys a lot, and it helps to put your little lanyard thing on your command hook on your door or next to your door so that you're not always running late for class looking for your keys. Nice business clothes. Science majors, chem majors, med majors, teaching majors. Anybody that's at college needs nice business clothes because there's going to be nice seminars, interviews, internships, job fairs, everything. And you don't want to go with your school clothes. You want to be wearing nice pants and a nice shirt. If you're still watching this video, comment dorm. Personally, I was not raised to take Dayquil. I was just raised once you feel sick, go to the doctor. Take Dayquil, it'll stop it or make it just manageable enough that you can go to class. You're going to need a wallet lanyard. The school will normally provide you one. Don't use that one because A, everyone's gonna know you're a freshman because you have that. B, everyone's gonna have that one, so what happens when you lose that one? Someone else is gonna think it's theirs, so then that's another problem. So just get your own. You could get one from Vera Bradley, you could get one from Coach, you could get one from Target, you can get them from everywhere. A generic calculator, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, they lied to you in high school. They said you needed to get a fancy graphing calculator. No, you don't need a fancy graphing calculator because besides the hard math, you cannot use a graphing calculator. They do not allow that because they really want you to know the material, not what your calculator can do, but what you can do. Thread and needle. I know they probably put this on the list, but I was like, thread and needle, I'm not gonna need that. It's gonna happen to you. Your shirt's gonna rip, or your favorite dress pants or whatever is gonna rip. Something is going to rip and something's gonna get caught on a door or something. That happened to me maybe 4 times, and it happens to everybody in the dorm. And surprisingly, someone will buy one, but it's gonna be $40 at CVS just because it's a college town. Versus if you bought it at your normal hometown that you live in, it would cost you maybe $5 for a sewing needle and a piece of white thread. Stamps. Stamps are important because you're going to be receiving mail, and some really important mail, and sometimes that mail needs to be sent to your parents. So instead of freaking out and going all the way across town to buy an overpriced stamp, you just have stamps in your room. I remember every time I got an A, I sent it to my parents in the mail. They love that shit. They literally vibe off of that. Every time I got an A, I would just send it in the mail, and they would just love it. They would show everybody and keep it in their freaking wallet. Drawer liner. Okay, this one was not on the list, and you're gonna want this. Every college in the world is probably over 100 years old, okay? So that means the dorms are probably over 100 years old. So that means that the drawers and the desks and the nasty shit that they leave in there is probably over 100 years old. Saying that you don't want to put your underwear in like 100-year-old drawers. Don't put your drawers on the drawers. So that is it. Those are the 10 random things that you'll need to bring to college that you probably never thought of. That is it. That is all I have. There's nothing more. I'm not sorry. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Girl, come through.